Hello all, welcome back to my channel. If you want to get an AWS certification without paying the single rupee, yes, there are the ways to get the 100% voucher discount if you are eligible. But remember guys, AWS certification is not free for anyone. Don't buy the random voucher codes from the Telegram, WhatsApp or any unknown websites. So there are the three methods to get the exam voucher. First method is the AWS Academy, and second method is that AWS events, challenges, and official programs. And third method is the AWS events and the promotional program. So in this video, I am going to explain this how to get that AWS certification voucher without paying the single rupee. So for that, first login in this website. So aws.amazon.com partners training and certification. So come to in this place. If you want to complete this AWS solution architecture certification, so so register now. So click on that link and register here. This all are these events dates guys. August 10, August 11 is already completed. Then upcoming events August 18, August 25, September 1 and September 8. So this training program is currently live. So if you want to complete the solution architect certificate, then click on register and fill this all these details. Fill this all these details and click on register. Once you register, once you register, attend this live event and get the voucher. And before that you need to sign in this AWS Skill Academy also. So once you register in this program, then you can come to the AWS Skill Builder account. Then if you have the already account, you can sign up, or if you don't have the AWS Skill Builder account, you can create the one free account. What is this? So in this AWS skill builder, we can complete the task. We- Here we have the credential certification and the lab. We can get this all things free. Okay. So whatever we are doing in this live session, with this practically we can do this in the AWS Skill Builder lab. So for that, please please register here certification event. Then you can create that one AWS Skill Builder account. This too is the mandatory to get that AWS certifications. So లేదు I want to complete this AWS data engineer, or else I want to complete that AWS developer certificate. For that, click on the developer, click on register. This events will start from the September 14th, September 15th, and September 22, September 29, October 6th, and October 13th. This all are this AWS developer events dates. So this all are the certification. There are the total, I think total 24 certifications are the displaying. So you can complete this any certification from here. So what do you need to get started? So register from your selected AWS partner certification readiness and sign up with AWS Skill Builder and share certification consistent with your employers. Okay, this all thing I said already. So first your sign up with your this certification session. After that, you can sign up for the AWS Skill Builder, then get that, complete the task and get that voucher, complete the exam. Then you can you can finally get the certification. That's it. So this all are the free, this all are the upcoming events guys. So this all are the frequently asked question about this free certifications. See, this all are the AWS partner certification readiness voucher frequently asked questions. How do I qualify for this and discounted exam voucher? Is that voucher is 100% discount? What I miss one session, can I still get the voucher? These all are this frequently asked questions. I will put this all links in this description. Go to there, register, and attend the event and get the voucher and wrote the exam, finally get the certification. If you found this video is interesting, please like and subscribe my channel, and you can share your friends or colleagues or your family member also. Bye. Jai Hind.